Completing checklists on the job is as simple as ticking a couple of boxes, allowing your staff to get back on the tools as quickly as possible. This lets the business know in real time how things are tracking and maintains accountability. Today we're talking about completing checklists on the desktop version of Fergus, but you can also do this in the Fergus Go app. To start, navigate to the job card first. In the left side menu, click the checklists option. In here, you'll see the checklist status, its name, who is assigned to the checklist, the due date, how many tasks have been completed, and whether the checklist has been attached to the job or the job phase. To complete a checklist that has been attached to the overall job, click the checklist's name in the table. This will open the checklist panel. To check off a task that you have completed, simply click the checkbox for the task. When you have checked off all the tasks, the checklist will show as complete. You can also complete a checklist from a job phase page if it has been assigned there instead. To do this, navigate to a job phase and click on the checklist name under Job Phase Checklists. It'll be the same as completing the checklist on the overall job from here on out. It's as easy as that. Give the checklist feature a try today